Are you hungry? Because if so, you're in the right place. Today we're making kind of a Thai-inspired shrimp toast.
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. A couple of weeks ago, we made the classical fried pork toast. And I saw on Instagram a post from, I think it's kind of a bar in Hong Kong. And they make a shrimp toast. And it looked so good, so I thought I'll recreate my own version of it, and mine will be more Thai-inspired. So it's a shrimp toast, and we have a spicy tamarind mayonnaise as a dipping sauce. But before we have a look at the board, do me the huge favor, if you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe channel and check the bell icon. Like that, you get a notification every Tuesday when a new episode comes out. Now, let's have a look. As you can see, there's not much here. We have toast bread. We have spring onions, we have some black tiger prawns, we have our spicy tamarind mayo, and we have our shrimp filling for our toasts. Let's first have a quick look at how we did the shrimp filling. So this is what we need for our shrimp mix. We have 300 grams of black tiger prawns, so you can use whatever you can get a hold of. We have about 30 grams of spring onions, 20 grams of red curry, 10 grams of coriander, 1 egg white, and we're gonna season with a bit of soy sauce and fish sauce. But there are no gram measurements for that, we'll just do it by feel. So we'll start with putting this all into a blender. So in goes our shrimp, our spring onions and coriander, our red curry paste, and our egg white. And now this will get loud, but we're going to mix it quite quickly, and then we stop. And there we are. That's perfect. Now, it's raw shrimp, I know, but you need to taste. Perfect. It just needs the seasoning of the soy and the fish sauce. So we put all of this into a bowl, scrape off. Make sure we get everything. Now it's time for the final seasoning. A good portion, I would say maybe a tablespoon of soy. It's a light soy sauce. And also maybe a tablespoon of fish sauce. Now we're just gonna work this in. Again, a little taste. Here's a bit more soy sauce. We're okay with the fish. Another tablespoon. And we work that in as well. Do a last try. Yeah, now the saltiness is there. So that's our shrimp mix. So as you can see, very Thai-inspired. We got the red curry paste. We got the coriander or cilantro. What else do we have in there? The spring onions, soy, fish sauce. So it's really kind of Thai-inspired. Next, let's have a look at how we did our spicy tamarind mayo. 4 ingredients. 100 grams of Kew Pie mayonnaise. We're going to do 10 grams of Sriracha, 10 grams of Tamarind Paste, and 10 grams of Sesame Oil. Take the scale out. Oh, 11. That's okay. $25. It's also okay. It's cooking, not baking. Let's see if we can manage 10. Yes. And now we just need to whisk, not even whisk, mix it with a spoon. And if you just need a great recipe for a spicy mayo, just leave the tamarind paste out. But here we're making a tamarind mayo, a tamarind spicy mayo. That come together nicely. Just give it a try. I know it tastes good, but perfect. Sweetness, sourness from the tamarind, spiciness from the sriracha, and Kew Pie is just a great mayo. And you add a bit of sesame oil and it becomes even better. So that's our dipping sauce. As you can see, dead easy. But I think the flavor of tamarind goes so well with kind of seafood and fish. So that's going to be a great dipping sauce. But let's start making our sandwiches. So first let's just cut off the edges. I want to do that on all our toasts. So I'll see when that's done. And now let's get this done. We'll make one together. Try to more or less evenly distribute, about a centimeter thick, maybe a little bit thinner. And now comes our black tiger. Push that in, and we'll do a second one. Let's move this out of the way. And then comes our top. Now we try to flatten this out. It's a bit finicky, but it works if you have patience. And don't worry too much if you spill a little bit. I saw we're missing a bit here, so I took a bit more from the bowl. And we just add that. And now we'll just cut this in the middle. We have two of our, in this case, 6 toasts. So make the rest of your toast, and then we'll get ready to deep fat fry them. I'll see you in a bit. We have our oil. It's very hot. Don't forget, never more than 1/3 up. 180 degrees. And we have 2 of our toasts. And now golden brown. You could do more at one time, but I'm saving the other ones for the family later, so I'm only making 2 now for us. Make sure we try to do all the sides so that they're really nice and crunchy. Obviously you don't have to do this thing with the tail, I just thought it looked funny. And that's how they did it in this place in Hong Kong. I thought we'll give it a try. And we're ready to take these. We just have some kitchen paper. To suck up the oil. Let's get rid of this and then we'll plate it up. So before we serve these up, as always, if you stuck with me this far, there must have been something you enjoyed about this episode. So do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It's just down there, it takes you a second, but it's so valuable to me. So please do me that favor. But now let's get this going. I can't decide if we do, let's do the mayo first and then we do the you can be quite generous. You can also put a bit on the side. Hope I'm not covering it with my hat again. There we go. Our shrimp toast with the spicy tamarind mayo. Let's dig in. Now I'm going to go in with my hands. Might get a bit messy. That is so good. Not much I can say, it's just amazing. You have the little, can we pull it? Oh, we're going to pull out the whole shrimp. Yeah, let's pull it like that. Dip it a bit in the mayo on the side. It's so packed with flavor. That's the perfect thing, again, either with just some drinks like finger food, or as a starter by itself, or part as kind of a sharing concept. I love this. If you have any questions about the recipe, leave them in the comments below. I always answer them. My hands are quite dirty, but I'll finish this before I wash them. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe, check the bell icon. But that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.
Give me something good.